Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you have bought a Google account just yet and you want the best security for that new Google account that you have buy from a random person on social media or from the face-to-face deal, so here is some tips for you that for the high security for your Google account. So first you have to do is simply click on this profile icon at the top right corner. For example, this is my new account with this I have just bought it from a person here. So you have to do is simply click on manage your Google account. Simply after click on that manage your Google account, you can find this type of interface where you can find left side a bunch of option, and among those you can find security option. So go to the security tab, and from here this is the all thing that you have to do. That first thing, if the two-step verification is off, then make sure that you have turned on the two-step verification. So first so before that you have to enter your password, but if you don't have that password, or make sure you have the password. So for example, for primary deal you must change the password at the very first of this deal. Like you have got their password, the old password, and you have used that old password to create a new password from you, that because you are creating this you are actually buying this Google account for you. So when you have changed the password, you can change the password again after 13 minutes for avoiding any type of glitches. So yeah, there is sometimes scammers, some type of scammers that they can do glitches. So you can do is you can hold for 30 minutes. Then first you have to change the password, then you have to hold for 30 minutes, or 1 hour is good if you can hold for 1 hour, or you can manage the seller for holding for 1 hour. Then after 1 hour you have to check the password if it's correct or not, and if it's correct then you can be sure that this is a legit deal. Or for more security, you can also change the password again after 1 hour or 30 minutes. Then you can simply add the password, enter your old password, then simply click on next, and you can enter the new password to create another new password after 1 hour, and this will help you to make your account more secure, or you can avoid any type of scam. Now another thing is make sure you have turned on the two-step verification. So for that it will ask for some recovery phone number or recovery email. So first you have to enter your password, current password, then enter the recovery phone number or email. Now here you can if you have buy it for now or just now and it is a new mail on your device, so you can turn off this feature for next 3 or 4 days, that skip password when possible. So you can turn it off for next few days. So after that you can turn it on back. Now from here you can find the Google prompt, so you can find the device that are connected here. So you have to verify yourself, and right now I'm not going to add my password here. So you can find all the devices that are currently connected, or you can find your devices. So you can find all the devices from here, and you can simply click on manage all devices, and you can log all devices out from your account. So simply, for example, this phone, so you have to simply click on it and you can find sign out button. So simply click on sign out, so this account will be signed out from that device automatically. So make sure that you are administrator of this emails right now. So enter the recovery phone number. You can use your own phone number that is currently active, and you can add your recovery email. That is more important than the phone number, I think. Right now sometimes two-step verification doesn't properly work sometimes for the phone number, but if it's not working, then you can go with the email, that you can be sure that you can pass through the two-step verification through this email address without any type of hassle. Then another important feature, that if you want the 100 security and ultra security, then you can set up passkeys and security key, and also you can set up a authenticator on your mobile device like Google Authenticator, and you can link your Google account with your Google Authenticator, so it will generate new code for your Google account in every 30 seconds. So that's pretty much cool and more effective and more secure way that you can do on your phone, on your Google account here. Then you can turn on the enhanced safe browsing for your account, so you can avoid any type of spammy or unsafe websites here. Then you can find password manager, and from here sometimes some scammers might save some spammy password. So you have to do is go to the password here and you have to delete all the password from here, all the passwords, so they can add malware or any type of spam or malware site here, so they can get to their password manager and they can link to your account. Yet if some cases some users have reported this thing that their account has got hacked from their password manager by something like phishing link or any type of this malware. So that's pretty much all tips that you can follow to make your Google account secure and the ultra security, give the ultra security to your Google account. So that's pretty much all things. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.